Hey, what's going on guys? My name's Chad, and today is the day we finally get to take a look at the Starlight 12 repair video. You know, it's been months now, and I got this repaired a long time ago, but I've been dealing with personal health issues that have been pretty severe. So I haven't really been uploading near as much as I wanted to. Hopefully that's about to change and I can actually start doing weekly videos now. But they sent this out to me, like I sent it in for repair. They had it back to me in like I think 2 weeks or around there, so it was really pretty fast. There's only two main issues I have with my copy, and basically the first one is the paint on the side panels of this mouse. I think that, I don't know if they use spare parts or what they had to do, but the paint doesn't match perfectly on my copy like the first one did. And this is the same mouse, they just swapped out different bits, I think, to repair parts that were broken or whatever. But anyways, the paint is not perfect, but it's not terrible either. Like, it's definitely good enough. The other issue that I have on my copy is at the top above the scroll wheel. It's kind of janky looking, it's sharp and jaggy, and it could have been rounded off like comes when they're new. But let's be real, this is not a $200 mouse. I paid $400 for this mouse. And Finalmouse knows that, right? They knew that I paid 400 bucks for this mouse, because I was in contact with them, and so it's kind of like maybe that just rubs me the wrong way, I guess. Like 400 bucks and you get this crappy looking. The scroll wheel here is the same as before. It's kind of like off-centered still. It seems like it's pretty difficult for them to center a scroll wheel on a mouse, which is sad because it really takes away from the aesthetics of the mouse, I feel. But the panels and the build quality and all that stuff, it feels much, much better on this copy. There's no shaking, rattling, like creaking, all that stuff is gone. They fixed everything with that. So the structural integrity of this mouse is great, and the gameplay experience is fantastic, but the bottom still flexes like crazy, and that's gonna be the case for every one of these mice. And I'm gonna be selling this one because it's a small and it's just a little bit too small for my hands. I'm gonna try to get a medium of the Phantom if I can. If not, I'm not going to go the eBay route again. It wasn't a great experience for me personally, if I'm honest, and it's definitely not good enough for the $400 price point I paid for this mouse. It wouldn't even be good enough for the $200 price point, if I'm just being brutally honest. So whatever that means, take it for what it is, and I hope that can help you with your decision going forward. I still would recommend getting a Phantom and trying it out, because I think it's going to be a great mouse, much better than this one. They're making a lot of improvements to it, especially with the new clicks and a couple different things to give it some more strength and whatnot. So I'm excited to see what they do with that mouse. I'm a little disappointed in this one, if I'm honest, but you know, it is what it is. Hopefully this helps you guys out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.